Hello trader, here Marcelo Torres with one more video analysis for you guys regarding Bitcoin. As I spoke yesterday, Bitcoin is getting out of a downtrend channel, and as I was expecting, it could have gone a little bit down, but it went way further down, almost touching the bottom of the channel. But sometime by the end of the morning, the Bitcoin stopped going down and started going sideways. Something like yesterday at 9 p.m. Brazil time, it started going up with increasing volume, and it is doing this right now. So it is trying to break out the downtrend channel, but we have to see some volume. It went over, the volume exceeded the average, the volume average, but we have to see something better than that. Right now, we see some correction on the price, so it's going slightly down. So my expectation, my top trend strategy was got me kind of sad when it went down, but it moved up, so I'm on the gain side right now. Looking at the indicators, we have positive moves on the stochastic where it is getting into the overbought zone. We still have some positive move. Actually, right now it just moved for a mixed signal on the relative strength index. So the line is pointing down, but the histogram is still going up. So let's see how this is gonna work out. We have the MACD going up, nice and neat. It changed today to positive on the both signals. We have the volume wave uh, building its positive wave. It already touched the the upper positive band. So let's see how it's gonna move now, because once it breaks out this band, sometimes it starts moving inside, to go back inside. So let's see how this is going to move out. But we can see that we still have positive moves on the volume wave pivot. So let's see how that's going to go through the day. We have right now, let's see how it looks. It just changed to negative, negative the line, pointing um, price is going down. So let me put this a black line here. But we still have for the price spread. But we have the money pressure positive, which is good. We also have the Heikiashi directional positive candle showing going on a positive direction, and we still have the the short term trend uh, positive as well, and it might cross the mid trend, which is right now it's going down the mid trend. But if it crosses up, we might see it going up as well. And since we also have the long term trend going down, but close to all this move, as we can see here, we might see a change on all direction if we have a very nice and neat price progress going up. Okay, so let's keep our eyes on that. Right now, I will keep my eyes more on the volume to see if it's gonna keep going up. This for the 4 hour chart. Checking out the one day chart, we have movement going on. We have positive on the relative strength. We have positive on the money pressure, on the spread price, and on, let's see, and that's it on the MACD actually. But we have the negative volume wave under formation, which is not so good. But if the bottom of this wave is higher than the previous negative wave, then we might have some good things here. Okay, so we have to keep our eyes on the volume right now to see if we're going to increase. if it's going to increase. Looking at the volatility, it's going down, which means that the trades, the market trades are getting into balance. Going back to the 4 hour, we have the the volatility very low, but wanting to move up, showing that we might in a close future see some speculation going on. Okay, right now on the 4 hour chart, price has touched the 61.8% of Fibonacci at almost 6,400, and now it's trying to recover a little bit its move. So hopefully it would just be a pullback in order to keep going up. Because on this level right here, let's say the level of 6,400, we have a very strong resistance going on. Okay, looking at the weekly chart, everything keeps on moving towards positive move, which is nice. So this could be our best top trend reference. If we use the weekly going up, the daily might go down, but some signals say that it will go up as well. So we have a lot of possible trades on the 4 hour chart. But when we look at the monthly chart, we see that it's going down. So once the month is closing, we have to see how it's going to open the next month. And since we have 4 weeks in a month in average, um, we still have some positive moves for the week. So keep our eyes on the top trend. On the worst case, we keep our eyes on the top trend for the week. But to trade, it would be nicer to keep our eyes on the daily chart. Okay? Remembering that this analysis is already available on Twitter, Facebook, YouTube, Telegram, TradingView, and LinkedIn. And once again, my disclaimer means that my opinion is just my opinion, okay? Don't follow it. Just keep your knowledge about it. Build your own opinion, build your own trades, and hopefully you will be successful. All right, folks, that's it with the trades going on and this analysis on hand. Now it's showtime. Take care.